Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, as you can see, I'm in my car. I'm about to go thrift shopping, and of course I had to take you with me. So this video is going to be the come thrift with me, the shopping part, showing you some of my favorite pieces, showing you how I envision them being styled. And then in the next video is going to be my haul, all the pieces that I end up getting, how I wear them, how I put them together on me and in my home. We are during the week, which I love. Usually I like going thrift shopping when it's a little bit more quiet, there's less people. I feel like I can focus a little bit more, find pieces that speak to me. So hopefully we will go in there and there will be all kinds of treasures. I don't have anything specific in mind, because if I go in there with some sort of mood board, I tend to not enjoy the whole process of thrifting. And for me, thrifting is leaving it up to the universe, and whatever I'm meant to have is what it is. And it makes it a whole fun process. It's like digging for treasures. Let's go in there, fingers crossed, there's some good things. I am back. I found so many cool pieces. I cannot wait to share them with you. I will be showing the pieces I end up getting in my next video, so stay tuned for that. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your thumbs up, your comments, all of that. It means the world to me. Have the best week ever. I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye guys.